Do we agree that this is ugly? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas Day 7. So today's video, I am making a ugly Christmas sweater for work tomorrow. So tomorrow is ugly Christmas sweater day, like I just said. And I'm about to make an ugly sweater. So my first idea was to have like all the little bows you put on the presents all over. But I went to Family Dollar and they didn't have no bows except ones that was like this big. And I'm just like, what is wrong with y'all? Like, you know? So I had to go with plan B. I'm going to show y'all what I got. So this is the sweater I'm using. It's kind of flimsy. I wish it was a little thicker, but I want it because it's a turtleneck, and I'm gonna put this big red bow like right in the middle, like this. So I got that bow. I got Christmas ornaments, and this garland right here. So this is finna be so funny. Like, I cannot wait to go to work. I cannot wait to go to work. But they didn't have no ornament hooks at Dollar General, so I'm gonna have to use safety pins the real ghetto fabulous way. But that's fine. Okay, y'all, I'm taking a break because I got to run to Walmart real quick because I need more ornaments. I can already tell it's not going to be enough, so I'm finna go to Walmart before they close and get some more ornaments, and I'm going to be back. This is taking a long time, so I should have started this way earlier, but whatever. It's Friday tomorrow, so I'm committed. It's getting late, and I'm tired of doing this, so I'm going to put something right here, and then I'm going to be done, and I'm going to put something on the outside because I'm tired of doing it. And it's like almost 12, so it didn't turn out how I wanted, but I'm gonna show y'all a clip in the morning how it looks, because I was going to post this video tonight, but it's not going to be edited in time, so I'm going to make it into a two-parter. Y'all going to see me making it, and then I'm going to try to put some clips from work or something. I don't know. We'll see. But make sure y'all stay tuned to see how it turns out. I know I'm not finna finish it, so. Okay, this is how it turned out. I had to hang it up so y'all can see. I'm gonna look like a gift. This is so funny. Do we agree that this is ugly? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all come back for more content. Peace. This is a sweater. Like, I'm like cracking up right now. This is so ugly. And we're gonna go to school and see what happens.